Our planetary society is currently facing multiple acute crises: climate disruption, global warming, loss of biodiversity, air, soil, and water pollution, resource depletion, political turmoil, displacement of people and other living beings, as well as systemic economic, environmental, and social injustices. So, how can we live with all this? And what solutions can be met? What other ways of organizing ourselves in order to change lifestyles, by transforming relationships with other living beings, are needed to bring change? These are some of the questions and concerns that guided the collaborative and federative platform Cultures for Resilience, C4R. The project, supported by Creative Europe Cultural Program, was carried out by partners Atelier d'Architecture Autogéré in France, Casco Art Institute in the Netherlands, and Transit Row in Romania. It aims to strengthen the action of a wide range of actors, including citizens, professionals of the creative and cultural sector, public administrations, and local associations working on environmental and urban resilience issues in the context of urgency due to climate change in Europe.
The more important thing about trying to build something together and sharing it is to share resources and to share what do you have as a person and as a community. And it's the same what we are trying to do now. We are sharing experiences. But in order to be able to do this, we need to try to make ourselves a bit far from egoism, benefits, interests, and think more about the bigger community.
C4R proposed a holistic approach to resilience, using immersive cultural practices and collaborative tools as bridges to increase resilience, diversify modes of involvement in territorial empowerment, and promote capacity building, creativity, and education in peripheral territories. During C4R, networks of the actors developed a culture of translocal resilience within the EU through the creation of spaces for physical and digital dialogue and collaboration. C4R supported creative professionals, both existing and emerging, and increased the frequency of resilient cultural activities organized in peripheral territories through practices such as collective gatherings and herbaria, sensitive walks, alternative agricultural practices such as permaculture and agroecology, composting, creative and collective cooking methods, among others. This strengthening of cultural dynamics improved the visibility of these practices at all levels: local, national, and European, contributing to strengthening the networks of cultural and resilience actors at the level of territories involved. With this, C4R introduced more co-constructed, positive, and sustainable cultural visions of resilience into the collective European imaginary, with the objective of showing a diversity of possibilities and approaches to an ecological future. By promoting other perspectives than those of the large metropolises and the catastrophic visions that currently dominate the scenarios of the future.